and Create the Heart, and I'm back with kind of the last of my stash to destash videos until I start preparing for my November sale. So it's a pretty big sale. I just kind of went through everything, priced everything. I still need to make videos. So I know I said in my last video, I don't know, that the sale was going to be on the 30th, I think, but I'm moving it to June 20th at 9 a.m. And I will have kind of like a little video that talks about the sale and just a kind of a reminder video to kind of put it out there so everybody knows when the sale is, because I want to get this stuff out. I have a lot of great stuff in it. I am going to show you a card that I'm making, but I want to show you some stuff that I am going to be parting with that I'm kind of sad about, because I have used these and I really love them. I have this Hop to It. It's going to be in the sale. I have everything that goes with it, the little bunny head and this part that you can stamp in there. And I've used that quite a bit. This one, I don't think, I've never used this, but it's so cute. But honestly, I just don't need it. And then this one I've used maybe once or twice, but it's a stamp, and then you've got a stencil where you can stencil the tails. It's adorable. This one is a whole kit, and so this is a stencil that you stencil around the frosty heads, and then I have like the frosty body and all of that, and the die. I have the whole shebang for this, and I did use this last Christmas, so I've got some videos about that, but I have the whole shebang that I'm saying goodbye to. And then this one is super cute. I was trying to find the cards that I had made last year, maybe the year before. I had made using this, but I might have given them all away, or they're hiding somewhere in the craft room, which is just a disaster. But part of the reason why I decided to move it sooner, number one, is that I finished. I mean, I got to the point where I'm like, okay, this is enough stuff to sell. And the other part is, like, I can't even move around in here with all of the crap everywhere, so I really do need to sell it and get it out so I at least can start cleaning up a little bit and getting a little bit organized and actually work on my summer crafting projects. So the dynamite, I have the whole thing. It's so cute, and I thought that I had the foil with it. I'm gonna look around and see if I can find the foil, because it makes no sense for me to keep the foil, but if I find it, I will include it with this, but I can't promise because I can't find it so far. But when I looked on the website, like, they didn't have this on there unless they have it and it's hidden. It's possible, but this thing alone is $27. Just this cutting plate is $27. But I have the cutting plates, I have this, and I have the stencil. So I'll go over it more when, I get to that. But this is going to be in my sale. So that's, I mean, I'm kind of sad because I did love that stuff. But let's go on to today's stash to destash. And it's a different kind of destash. So it's going to go in my sale. And it's I loved it so much I bought it twice destash, which I have quite a few of those things. Actually, I already pulled out one that I'm going to be using for my next sale, because I already have enough stuff to sell right now. But yeah, I do this more than not. It happens that I buy something I already have. So I love CC Designs, and there are a couple CC Designs items in my destash sale. This is one of them that's going to be in there that I have twice. So and I think I parted with a couple of dies. It was really hard because I love CC Designs, and they don't put out, these are hard to find, and they're so cute. I mean, these are currently in their range, but I bought this twice, and so the brand new one, never been used, is going to go in the destash sale. This is mine. Okay, so I'll put that on the side. So yeah, I bought it twice, and I do that often. I don't know if anybody else does that. If it's just me, I don't know. But I wanted to make a couple really cute cards with this while I had it out. And so I did pull out some items that I haven't used that are not going to be in my sale, but I have not used them, so I was very excited. And I have this candle set. I have the foil, I have this candle layering stencil, and then I have the 3D embossing folder. And then I also used a regular embossing folder for my second card, and then I used this Wish Big. Okay, so let me show you the first card. I love it so much. I cannot believe how freaking adorable this little candle doohickey is, and I definitely think that the mink foil, it really bumps it up, like seriously. So what I did first is I took the foilet and I ran it through with a rainbow foil, and then I used the stencil and I stenciled it. I had already colored these guys out, so I tried to kind of match my colors of my candles kind of with the colors of my little birthday Swissies. So I did that, and then I used the 3D embossing folder over it, and it's so cute. And then I have this die. I love it so much. It is from Tailored Expressions as well. It's a layering die, 2 pieces. I wish that I had put this a little bit up a little bit because my Y is a little bit blocked, but it is what it is. But I think it's so cute. And then for my second card, I went a little bit more kind of subtle, but I did a shaker, and I have these shaker bits from some Tailored Expressions birthday situation where we got these. And so I used those inside of here, and all I did was just use some white cardstock and ran that birthday embossing folder through it and put my little girl here. And I have this Let's Celebrate, which is also from Tailored Expressions, I believe. And then when I cut down this, I had a piece left over, and I just fussy cut some candles out of the scrap, and then I just use that as decoration here at the bottom so they didn't go to waste. And that's my card. This is a freaking adorable stamp set. It's going to be in my sale because I love it so much. I bought it twice. If you are interested in this situation right here, this is from Tailored Expressions, and I love it because I think you really can, it's an easy way to do a background and have it be just so cool. And you can change the color that you use for your foil, so you could get different looks probably. I did a rainbow, and I think it just was, what rainbow did I use? I don't even know. I think it's a Picket Fence Studios one, but all the companies have rainbow foil, and super cute. I love the cards. I'm so excited to have these cards because my daughter Lily, she borrows cards from me all the time, and so these are really great for her to use for her friends. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.